What's up? Tell you what, let's talk about people who live paycheck to paycheck. And it's not your fault necessarily, but you're living paycheck to paycheck. And what I find interesting is you can be, 30, 35, 40, and be living paycheck to paycheck. But hey, you can also be 50 or 55 and living paycheck to paycheck. And you could be retired and you're living Social Security check to Social Security check. And all three of those is not fun. Never has been fun, never will be fun. And you don't like being there. But without getting too crazy, that the reason that you're there is you spend more than you make. Duh, right? Everyone knows that, but that doesn't help to make you spend less or help you create a habit to spend less. So if you can't figure out how to set yourself a habit to spend less, then you need to figure out a habit that's going to help you make more money. Now, you have your job, so how are you going to make more money? Well, you have to know by now that you can make money online doing all sorts of different things. You can work for other companies part-time and push their products and make money. Or you can start your own online business and gradually build yourself up over a year to probably double what you're making in that 9 to 5. So you're only working maybe, 3 to 4 hours a day to do this. Now you're gonna start off probably slower, like maybe 1 or 2, because you just don't want to do it after working all day. But hey, again, it's all up here. You do what you want to do. If you want to watch TV, you're gonna watch TV. If you want to make money, you're gonna look at ways to make money. So it's kind of up to you. Now, I've done it all my life. I've done so many side gigs before the online or before the internet was even around. Yeah. And that's what you had to do. You either had to have some kind of way to get to people, or you did like little mail outs and things like that. Not fun. It's way, way easier now online. So I'll tell you what, first of all, hit that like, okay? And after you hit the like, hit the follow, because I'd like to talk with you more. And finally, if you're looking to do anything online, check this out. That's what I do. And go into that, put in your name and your email address. It's not a big deal. I'm gonna put you on my newsletter and we can talk back and forth. I'm not about pushing you into buying anything. It's you need to want it. Okay? Later, guys. Bye.